topic is economic activities. Chapter 3, 10th class social. Economic activities are three categories. Economic activities are three categories. Those are primary sector, secondary sector, and service sector. Three types of the economic activities. Primary sector or agriculture sector. Secondary sector or industrial sector. It is industrial sector. All services are also under the category of the service sector. The primary sector depends on the nature. For example, agriculture, mining, fishing, not man-made things. These are only the gift of the nature. So, the primary sector, agriculture, mining, fishing, these are the best examples of the primary sector. This is only the primary sector. It depends on the nature. Now, the secondary sector or industrial sector. The secondary sector or the industrial sectors are produced by the machines. All goods are produced by machines. These are only the machines. And here the service sector. Service sector is not directly production. Service sector is not directly production, and it is provided by the services. These are provided by the services. Broadly, three categories of the sectors: primary sector, secondary sector, service sector. And service sector can be divided into three categories. Primary sector can be divided into three important categories are there. Those are community service, this is community service. All community services are first category of the service sector, and the second one is the finance and insurance services. Finance and insurance. Sectors. The third category is trade, transport, communication. These are the sectors of the service sectors. And service sectors are subdivisions are there. Community service, personal service, this is the first category of the service sector. And finance, insurance sectors are the second category of the service sectors. And trade, transport, communications, these are only third category of the service sectors. Here, important note is GDP. GDP is the most important sectors. GDP is the most important focus of the strategy. What is GDP? GDP means gross domestic product. And what is the definition of the GDP? GDP definitions are two categories on the go. Total value of the goods and services in the finance year. Total goods, GDP. GDP is total values of final goods in finance year. What is financier? Previous of the April and next year of the March ending, the middle of the time is also known as a financier. For example, April 1st, 1919 to March 31st, 2020. This year is the financier. Between this time, all final goods values are identify the GDP. And the second one, market value of the final goods and services. Market values. Market values of final goods in a year. So we can calculate it this time of the sessions of the GDP. But we can identify goods. Goods. Main goods are sectorial goods. Already we know the sectorial goods, primary sector, secondary sector and service sector. All the goods are the sectorial goods. But here we can identify the goods are also divided into 3 stages. The first stage is only the initial stage. Second stage is the initial stage. Second stage or intermediate stage. Intermediate stage. Final stage. That means initial goods, intermediate goods and final goods. For example, paddy. Paddy is initial stage. Rice. Rice is the second stage or intermediate goods. And dosa or idli, this is the final stage. These 3 stages are also under category of the goods, sectorial goods. And here we can identify this is most important structure of the part 1 to this chapter, economic activities.